What if I told you that the secret to a thriving indoor herb garden has been sitting in your kitchen trash can this whole time? Yes, you heard that right. And by the end of this video, you are going to have a fully working mini garden growing right inside your home, whether you live in a house, an apartment, or even a single room. No excuses today. Let us get into it. Welcome back to Gardening Secrets Hub, the only place where we make home gardening so easy, so affordable, and so practical that you will wonder why nobody ever taught you this before. If you are new here, do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now, because we drop gardening secrets that most people keep to themselves. Now, before we start, I want to say something controversial. And I know some of you will disagree with me in the comments. Ready? You do not need a garden to grow fresh herbs at home. Not a backyard. Not a balcony. Not even a windowsill garden bed. Just a pot, some soil, and something most people throw in the bin every single day. Drop a yes in the comments if you're ready to prove that wrong. Alright, here is everything you need, and I promise you already have most of this at home. You need a pot with drainage holes at the bottom. This is very important. No drainage holes means your roots will drown. If your pot does not have them, grab a nail or a drill and make some. Next, you need soil. This can be regular garden soil, potting mix, or substrate. Now, substrate is my personal favorite because it is lighter and full of organic matter. You can actually see little pieces of tree bark in it, and that is a good sign. It means it is alive with nutrients. Go ahead and fill your pot about halfway with your chosen soil. Now here is the part that sounds crazy but works like magic. Grab a plastic cup. Yes, a regular disposable plastic cup. Now take a knife, a fork, or even a lighter, heat it up, and poke a few holes at the bottom and sides of the cup. You do not need many, just enough for water and nutrients to pass through. Then place this cup right in the center of your pot and continue filling soil all around it until the cup is fully supported and sitting upright. This cup is about to become the most powerful thing in your entire pot. I will explain why in just a moment. Now, grab a banana. Eat the banana because you only need the peel. Take your scissors and cut the banana peel into small pieces directly inside the cup. And here is why this is an absolute game changer. Banana peels are loaded with potassium, nitrogen, and phosphorus. These are the three main nutrients that every plant needs to grow strong and healthy. Most people pay good money for fertilizer when the answer is literally in their fruit bowl. As the peel dries out inside that cup, it slowly releases all those nutrients directly into your soil. And because the cup has holes, it will not get waterlogged. It basically becomes a slow-release organic fertilizer station sitting right inside your pot. You just built a mini compost bin in a pot. How brilliant is that? Tell me in the comments if you ever thought a banana peel could do this. Go ahead and give everything a good watering now. Moisten the soil around the cup and also add a little water into the cup to start activating the banana peel. Do not flood it. Just moisten it. By the way, if you are finding this useful, right now is a great time to like this video and subscribe to Gardening Secrets Hub. We post practical, affordable gardening tips every week, and you do not want to miss what is coming next. Now it is time to plant. Today we are going with 3 herbs that, honestly, every home should have. Rosemary, lavender, and basil. These 3 together will make your home smell incredible. They are useful in the kitchen, and they are surprisingly easy to grow. Just take your seedlings and bury them gently into the soil around the cup. Spread them evenly so each one has room to grow. Once they are all in, give them another gentle watering and you are done. Now pay close attention to this next part, because this is where most beginners make mistakes that kill their plants. Do not place your pot in full direct scorching sun. That will burn your seedlings. But do not hide it in complete shade either, because your herbs need light to grow. Find a bright spot with indirect light or gentle morning sun. Water a little every day. Not too much, not too little. Just keep the soil lightly moist. And whenever your banana peel dries out completely inside the cup, just add more. Keep feeding your soil naturally and for free. If you do all of this, and I mean follow every step exactly as I just described, here is what will happen. In a very short time, your rosemary will fill out beautifully, your lavender will begin to flower, and your basil will grow so full and lush you will have more than you can use in your cooking. All of that, growing right inside your home, with almost zero cost. Here is my final controversial statement for today, and I really want your opinion on this in the comments. I believe anyone who says they cannot grow plants at home is simply not trying the right method. Because if a banana peel inside a plastic cup can grow a full flowering herb garden, then there is absolutely no valid excuse. Do you agree or disagree? Tell me honestly down below. You do not need a big space. You do not need expensive tools. You do not need a green thumb. You just need the right information, and that is exactly what we are here for at Gardening Secrets Hub. Try this today, take a photo of your pot, and come back to tell me how it is going. I read every comment. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. That means the world to me. Subscribe if you have not yet, share this with someone who loves plants, and I will see you in the next video. Take care and happy gardening.